Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.1 question number 1. Identify the nets which can be used to make cubes. Cut out copies of the nets and try it. Let us try for question number 1. Can you make a net cube with this net? Let us find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces, right? If we this one, no, we cannot make cubes out of this net. Next we will try for question number 2. Question number 2. This can be folded here. This can be folded here. This can be folded on this. This can be folded. Yes, 2 can. With this net we can make a cube. Let us try question number 3. This one. This one. Let us try for question number 3. If we fold this one, fold this one, this one, and this one, fold this one. Yes, we can make with this net a cube, that is 2 and 3, right? If we try for example 5, 4, that is this one, it can be folded here upward. Yes, with this 4, question number 4, you can make net. Now 5, can you make net with 5? Let us find. This one, it will be folded, this one will be folded, this one will be folded. No, we cannot make cubes out of this net, right? Let us try for this. It can be folded here, it can be folded here. First we will fold it at this position, right? This position, right? And that means we can make a cube out of this net also, right? Therefore we are getting that the answer is cubes nets that cubes nets that cubes nets are number 2, we can make with number 3. From this you can also make cube. This 3, 2, 3, 4, with this also 4, 2, 3, 4, and with 6, and with 6 we can make a cube of this net, right? You can make a copy of this, or you can make it in practical, that you can get that cubes nets are 2, 3, 4, and 6 one, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.